Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I really wanted to try a flat twist on my hair. I haven't done that in forever, so we're gonna try it today. It's already washed. It's sectioned into 7. Just because I had to do some extra detailing when I co-washed it, it was a mess. So I washed it using As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. I'm going to be using this Cantu Shea Butter Define and Shine Custard. And then I'm going to just use the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip twisting cream. I'm just parting my hair and applying my products, the water oil mixture, the twisting whip, and the Cantu gel. And you want to make sure that your hair is coated thoroughly before you do any detangling with a comb or your fingers, just to reduce the amount of shed and breakage. I'm just gonna get to twisting. When you're doing these twists, you want to make sure when you go around to grab a new piece of hair. These are similar to braiding, except you're using 2 strands instead of 3. And you just want to make sure that you get them tight enough so that it lays flat to the scalp. Disregard my mouth. It has just been hanging wide open this entire video. Nobody told me. I'm over here catching flies, drooling on myself. I know I got some big teeth, but am I the only one that looks like a crazy person when I'm doing my hair? About after the 4th twist, I added bantu knots at the ends just so that they won't unravel. It's all twisted, it's still damp, and you can tell by the chunks of product sitting on top of my hair. Hopefully that'll go away once it's fully dry, but here's the back. So it's been 2 days, my hair is all dry. It's kind of hard actually with that gel, which I didn't think that it was going to be, but let's just take them down. I am going to add a little bit of oil to my hand so I don't get that much frizz. I know I'm gonna get some frizz just because I always do. And I'm just going to spray it with this all natural anti-shrinkage just to give it a little bit more life. And it's just a curl refresher without dealing with all the shrinkage. I'm gonna put some on my edges too, just to give them some moisture. Just mold your hair however you want. Play with it until you like it. Put your stamp on it. Get funky with it. I don't have a particular way I like to style my short hair yet, but all I know is the bigger the better. The curls turned out pretty good. I thought I was gonna hang more down in my face, but I guess I'm just overshooting how much length I have. But I'm okay with it growing anyway. It is going to grow. Let it grow. Let it grow. Let it grow. And I don't want to go in it with my pluck too much just because I don't want that extra frizz, and I don't want the curls to obviously get combed out. So this is it. This is how I'm going to wear it. Get a little closer for you, and I'll try to do the back. I think I'll probably need to just go over, just pull on it, mold it the way you want. But these curls should last for a minute. I'm really actually proud of the way it came out. I did not like the way the gel made it feel hard, or just a combination of the twisting cream and the gel made it hard. But it's not hard now. I have some bounce to it. But the back is, obviously it's not gonna bounce too much because it's shorter, but yeah, it's not hard, it's not firm, it moves. That's good. I'm glad that I did it again. I'm team Cantu anyway, but it's moisturized. I don't have that awkward dry feeling because sis can't do it. I can't do it. So this is it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Show your girl some love, and peace out. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.